After question number 3rd, we will solve question number 7 of the same exercise, which is exercise 10.2. Okay, so first of all, listen what the question is. Two concentric circles of radii 5 centimeter and 3 centimeter. Find the length of the chord of the larger circle which touches the smaller circle at some point. Okay, first of all, let us understand what are concentric circles. If two or more circles have common center point, then they are called concentric, means they have common center with different radius. Okay, so first of all, we will draw two circles with radius 3 centimeter and 5 centimeter. Okay, so the two circles are with center O, such that the inner circle is having radius 3 centimeter and this outer circle is having radius 5 centimeter. Okay, now draw a chord AB in the larger circle which touches the smaller circle at point P as shown in the figure below. Because we have to draw the figure by our own, so we'll draw any chord and name it AB which touches the inner circle or smaller circle at some point, let us say P. Okay, now from the above diagram we can clearly see that if AB is the chord of bigger circle or outer circle, at the same time AB is tangent to the inner circle or you can say smaller circle. Okay, so in this case OP is perpendicular to AB because OP is the radius of the smaller circle and AB is the tangent at point P, which is touching at point P. Okay, now see, this OP is dividing triangle OAB in two small triangles. Consider any one of them. Consider triangle OPA, this one. Okay, using Pythagoras theorem in this triangle. Why we'll use Pythagoras theorem? Because angle OPA is 90 degree as OP is perpendicular to AB. Okay, now by Pythagoras theorem, hypotenuse square, which is OA square, is equals to OP square plus AP square. Okay, and C, hypotenuse of this triangle is equals to the radius of the larger circle or outer circle, which is 5 centimeter, and OP is the perpendicular of the triangle of the considered triangle, and at the same time OP is radius of the inner circle or you can say smaller circle. So OA is 5 centimeter and OP is 3 centimeter. By putting their values in this equation, we will have 5 square is equals to AB square, AP square plus 3 square. Okay, 5 square is 25, 3 square is 9. When we transpose this 3 square, which is 9, to LHS, it becomes, the equation becomes like AP square equals to 25 minus 9. So AP is equals to 4. AP square is equals to 16. Now, after transposing the square to RHS, it will become root over 16. 25 minus 9 is 16. So 25 minus 9 is 16. So AP square is 16. After transposing square to RHS, it will become root over 16. So root over 16 is 4. Square root of 16 is 4. Now, as OP is perpendicular to AB, see, OP is perpendicular to AB, radius is perpendicular to tangent. Okay, means for bigger circle or you can say outer circle, this is the perpendicular to the chord. Okay, and we have studied in previous class that perpendicular drawn from center of a circle to the chord bisects the chord. Since the perpendicular from the center of a circle bisects the chord, it means AP is equals to PB. Why? Because AB is getting bisected by OP at point P. It means AB is equals to AP plus PB. Okay, or you can say AB is equals to 2 times of AP. So AB is equals to 2 into 4, which is 8 centimeter. So length of the chord of the larger circle, which is tangent to the smaller circle, is 8 centimeter. Okay.